As much as we've talked about public speaking in this class, it's also important for us to look at the other side of that coin and talk about the importance of listening in public speaking. So first and foremost, it's important for us to recognize that there is a big distinction between listening and hearing. If we're looking at just hearing, this is an accidental and automatic brain response to sound waves that are being sent through the air. So when I am giving a lecture, when you are listening to someone speak, their vocal cords are making sound waves in the air, and your ears are automatically picking up those sound waves. It's hitting your eardrums, tickling the little cilia on the inside of your ears, and your brain is registering that sound is present. But in order for us to actually listen, this is a purposeful and focused attention to understand the meaning of those sound waves. So rather than just the sound hitting our eardrums and bouncing right back off, going in one ear and out the other, if you will, we are actually now trying to understand the message that is being sent by someone else. And so this is a purposeful, focused attention rather than being accidental. It's active and concentrated, so that you can understand the message, the meaning that's being expressed by the speaker. Now, there are some benefits of listening and listening well. First, it helps you to become a better student. And often we take these things for granted, but studies have shown that if you are better at listening rather than just hearing your teacher's lectures, you're going to obviously be able to process information better and perform better as a student. Additionally, it also helps you to become a better friend. It helps you to give your best attention to the people around you who are expressing their thoughts and feelings and their experiences, and it allows you to be able to respond in helpful and thoughtful ways. You can also be perceived as intelligent if you are a good listener. It reveals yourself as being curious and interested in what people are saying and in the events around you, and it helps you to be more knowledgeable and thoughtful as well. I spend a lot of my free time listening to podcasts, and then I can share the information that I have heard on those podcasts with other people, and, I can come off as very intelligent sometimes if I put the right information in the conversation. And finally, listening can also help you to improve your public speaking skills. That's why, one of the many reasons, why you are supposed to come and watch your peers give speeches, because you can see what they're doing, watch what they're doing well, listen for the specific things that they are doing or saying that you think are very useful in public speaking, and then you can try to emulate those things in your own speech. And similarly, if you are listening to everyone's speeches and you see someone who, isn't as good as they could be, they have a lot of room for improvement, you could listen to their speech and use their speech as an example as well, and look at what you might not try to do in your own speech. So it just helps you to become a better public speaker overall.